Alright guys, I'm trading this OCGN here. You know, on the 1 hour chart, it's got these nice wicks. I mean, this thing could come down to this 1430s area. If it does, I'll be buying in there, but I like this, how it pulled down right into this, the body of this candle and the body of this candle. Basically right off this pivot here. So I'm looking for this thing to make a move. There's sellers all the way up here in the 16s, 17s. I don't know if it's going to 18, 19, 20, but I'm looking for it to break high a day. So I'm in down here at the 1480s, and my stop is literally 1475. So I got a real low risk entry. You know, I got it right down here on this open of this candle, and you know, I'm looking for this thing to wiggle around a little bit and then make its final move. This green wick here, I think, you know, anytime I see a green wick, price usually goes back and revisits it and usually breaks it, because it's not a red pivot, it's a green pivot. So you know, this candle put in a wick, but it closed above the pre-market highs, above the opening range candle, and we never really broke down from there. We had a VWAP fake out. I scalped that move, but I think this thing's gonna end up getting the move here. We trade in probabilities, right? You never know if you're gonna win or gonna lose, but what you want to do is just take a good high probability setup and low risk entries, you know. So there's a lot of sellers there. You can see the book, there's a ton of sellers there. Look at 1550, 250,000 shares. But you look at 16, there's also 500,000 shares at 16, and you go to 17, and I've got 100,000 shares. So you know, I'm thinking if it does break high a day, we'll probably get a rip up to 16 or 1580s, and I'll exit on the rip. I think this 1550 seller is going to get taken out, and you know, you can see there's a lot of sellers right here. So if it does get this push, it's going to be exhausted once it gets through there. So we'll see. All right guys, here we go. We got the break of 16. I'm looking to get some shares off right here, and let's let it keep pushing a little bit here. So another quarter right there, and that's it. I'm all out. Alright traders, I hope that video helps you. As you can see, I waited for price to pull back into support, and then I sold on the push into resistance, and you know, that's all you got to do. When you see these smooth trenders, you have to be able to take a layup when you see it, and you know, that's it. So guys, if you need help, reach out to me, istreamtrading@gmail.com, or you can click the link in the description and join my free Discord. Alright, hit the like, subscribe, and whatever the heck that is, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.